In this question, two perpendicular rail tracks have two trains A and B respectively. Train A moves towards north with a speed 54 km per hour and train B moves towards west with speed 72 km per hour. Now assume that both trains start from same point. So we have two perpendicular tracks. A moves towards north with speed 54 km per hour. B moves towards west with speed 72 km per hour. Both start from same point, let it be O. Now the questions are relative velocity of ground with respect to B, relative velocity of A with respect to B, and rate of separation of the two trains. Those things has to be found. Now relative velocity of ground with respect to B is nothing but minus of velocity of B with respect to ground. As can be seen in this particular problem, this is minus 72 km per hour in minus j direction. So this is equal to 72 minus I cap direction. So it is 72 km per hour in I cap direction. So it is 72 km per hour towards east. This is the velocity of ground with respect to B. Now second part of the question is relative velocity of A with respect to B. Now velocity of A with respect to ground is 54 j cap kilometer per hour, whereas velocity of B with respect to ground is minus 72 I cap kilometer per hour. So now velocity of A with respect to B has to be found. So velocity of A with respect to B is velocity of A with respect to ground plus velocity of G with respect to B, or we have velocity of A with respect to ground minus velocity of B with respect to ground. So that is equal to 54 j cap minus 72 I cap, that is equal to 72 I cap plus 54 j cap. This is the velocity of A with respect to B. Now rate of separation of two trains. The rate of separation of two trains, that is velocity of A with respect to B, its magnitude is under root 72 square plus 54 square kilometer per hour, and that comes out to be 90 kilometer per hour. This is the rate of separation of A with respect to B or B with respect to A. So these are the answers of this question.